Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you all a beauty secret that will help reverse years of damage to your skin. It will gently exfoliate your uppermost dead layers, stimulating cell and collagen production, thus making your skin look younger and firmer. It will also help reduce uneven skin tone, will help boost clarity and reduce the appearance of skin discoloration, and will grant you a healthy fairness. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'll be sharing with you all a secret skin polish that works as a scrub cum pack. So I'll suggest you to prepare large quantities so that you can use it on your face, body and neck. First thing that you need is a large mixing bowl. So now we'll add the ingredients. So first thing that we're going to add is gram flour, also known as besan. So around half cup. Besan offers numerous skincare benefits and it is a perfect skin cleansing and brightening agent. So the next thing that you need is 1/4 cup of rice powder. So you can use white or brown rice. So just grind rice until you get a fine texture. Rice is rich in minerals and vitamin B, which helps with cell regeneration and slows skin aging. It polishes and refines your skin texture, enhance fairness. The next thing that you need is 1/4 cup of wheat flour. It works wonders when it comes to skin brightening. It lightens discoloration and dark spots. It removes tan and fine facial hair. The next thing that you need is one of the most important ingredients, that is the potato flour. This removes spots, pigmentation and grants you a healthy fairness and radiant skin because it's a natural bleaching and skin detoxifying agent. So add around 2 big tablespoons of potato flour. The next thing that you need is rose kaolin clay. Rose kaolin clay is suitable for all skin types and especially for dry and sensitive skin. Now in case if you don't have rose kaolin clay, you can use kaolin clay, cosmetic clay, known for its skin lightening and softening qualities. It clears surface impurities and controls excess oil production. So then add half a teaspoon of wild turmeric. The thing about wild turmeric is that it doesn't stain your skin yellow and it gives a lovely fair glow to your skin and keep blemishes at bay. The final thing is optional. If you have, use it, otherwise you can skip it. So you need is orange essential oil, or you can also use lemon essential oil, so around 5 to 6 drops. So combine well and store in a clean airtight container. So now I'll show you 2 best ways to use this skin polish. So first is that you can use it on your face and body as a scrub. So for that, combine a generous amount of this powder with some coconut oil and lemon juice. Apply onto your wet face and body. Then wet your fingertips and gently massage in a circular motion for 30 seconds. And then rinse off with cool water. So use it while you are in the shower. So this will give you a stunningly gorgeous, silky smooth skin, instant fairness, and it will reduce layers of tan. So after using, make sure to moisturize your skin. So follow this twice or thrice in a week. Now I'll show you how to use it as a face pack or body pack. So combine this powder with some chilled curd or milk, or you can also use rose water, and smooth it on your skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wet your fingers and gently rub for 30 seconds and rinse off with cool water. So you will notice an instant effect. Your skin will appear clear, naturally fair and smooth, youthful and really gorgeous. So use this face pack twice or thrice in a week. Now the best thing is that you can store this for up to a month at room temperature. So friends, do try the skin polish, or you can call it as an upton, for a couple of weeks and share your results with me. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.